Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to apply for a job on Jobpal.lk. There's a feature on Jobpal.lk where you can simply visit a job and apply using your details as well as the CV without creating any of the accounts. So let's see how it's done. So we have local jobs here as well as foreign jobs here. So let's say I'm interested in one of the, let's say this vacancy, sales executive. I'll just visit it. Okay. So I'll just go through the details and information, and there's this apply for job option. So I'll click apply for job and it will ask me some details. Okay, it asks me my name, so I'll say, and my email, let's say my email, and an optional description or message. This field is optional. I'll just say like to for this job. Qualifications necessary for this job. Yeah. Fine, and I can enter my phone number. Make sure the number here you enter is correct. I'll just enter dummy number, as well as the email you enter here is your actual email and is accessible, so that all the communications with regard to your application will be can be reached to you over the email or the phone number. And here I have to select my CV, so I'll set a CV here. Okay, now it's done. So just hit send application. Okay, I'll just send application. Fine, now my job application is sent. So that's the process of applying for jobs on Jobpal.lk.